Even before the iPhone 15 series was launched, Samsung had a feeling that its rival's phone will do very well. Now the fear is coming true, so company will go forward with its alleged plan to introduce S24 series earlier. South Korean publication The Elec sheds new light on the current state of things at Samsung. The company's latest foldables are selling up to 8 to 10% better than the predecessor, which is no means feat given the current state of the market. But Samsung bendable phones are not immune to wider macroeconomic challenges and do not seem to be doing as well as Samsung hoped. Even though the company's annual foldable shipments are projected to be 10% higher compared to 2022 and may reach 10 million units for the first time, industry observers have observed something that indicates sales are falling short of expectation. The 3-day holiday is around the corner, and if demand for the new Z series was high, Samsung would have ordered new parts to avoid production disruption, but they haven't done it. This indicates shipment will not reach 12 to 13 million units as predicted by the industry sources. So Samsung partners would kick off mass production of Galaxy S24 parts in November, a month earlier compared to last year. This has given rise to speculation that the company will move the launch by 1 month for the Galaxy S24 lineup. So it should come out in January. The Alec also said Samsung is going to launch the S24 to cut off Apple's iPhone 15 advantage. According to one report, iPhone 15 which helped Apple unseat Samsung as the biggest smartphone seller in a year for the first time ever, and Samsung seems to be looking to counter that.